I'm in love with you.
Ndagukunda mwana.
You are the love of my life.
Uri urukundo rw'ubuzima bwanjye.
I can't live without you.
Nta hantu najya tutajyanye.
I can't breathe without you.
No guhumeka ubwabyo ntago nabishobora ntagufite. Yo.
I exist for you.
Mbayeho kubera wowe yo hari igihe ukunda umuntu ukamwimarira modisi.
You are the soul of my existence.
Ni wowe bugingo butuma nkomeza kubaho uyu mukobwa arakunda we.
I'm still alive.
Kuva waza mu buzima bwanjye wampaye impamvu yo gukomeza kuba ndiho.
And you know see.
Se kuki utabibona yo.
I love you.
Ndagukunda yo.
I love you.
Ndi imbere y'Imana ndagukunda pe.
Is it until I die?
Ese basi urashaka kugira ngo mpfe niyahure kugira basi ubone ko ngukunda mbwira.
Is it until I die? Should I die?
Bashaka ko mpfe mbwira.
I can do it.
Njyewe nabikora pe.
Do it. Say it.
Wowe mbwira.
Say it.
Yo.
Just say it.
Wowe basi vuga ijambo rimwe urebe ngo ndahita niyahura yo. Mungeri nanone kurashobashire banyu kandi like follow share inshuti zawe zibibone. Yeah.
Love you.
Ndagukunda mwana.
Where?
Hehe unkunda iki mu biki? Wari wanjyana kwa Arifa ngo wankorere makeup na rimwe.
What?
Ngwiki umusore yarumiwe.
Show me.
Nyine wenyere kurwo rukundo uri kunyibwirishwa ruri hehe?
Where is this love?
Urwo rukundo ruri Nyagasani.
I can't see it.
Sinarubona.
I can't touch it.
Sinabasha kurukoraho n'intoki.
I can't feel it.
Sinarwiyumvamo.
I can hear it.
Simbasha kurwumva mu matwi yanjye uretse utuntu tugambo zumbwira.
But I can't do anything with your easy words.
Uba wumva ko nakururwa n'utwo tugambo tw'amafuta uzumbwira mu matwi gusa uko wiboneye. Nyamuneka mwabasore mwe. Fata umukobwa wawe umujyane hariya muri chic. Ubaze ngo Anifa ukora makeup idakangwa n'imvura akorira he? Bakwereke makeup hanyuma ejo uzaza umubwire ko umukunda urebe kwanza sinanguka kubimubwira azabikwibwirira. Tugambo tudafite imirimo. Kobwa bamenye ubwenge. Mungeri none kurashobashira banyu kwa like follow share. Ubundi hita ukora search usacinge Anifa makeup 07 aho ngaho kuri TikTok. Umukurikirane umwandikire akuyobore.
Do you love me?
Urankunda urebe filime.
I'm trying to protect.
Yeni buregereza kukurinda.
Do you love me?
Ndakubaza urankunda.
I cannot.
Ntago.
We cannot.
Ibintu ntibishoboka n'ikiganiro tukireke ntago urize nifuza kubana nawe. Ngewe icyo nkubaza urankunda.
Charlotte, please stop.
Charlotte rwose ndakwinginze rekera. Yo.
Is it because you do not believe that I could love you?
Tibi byose no kubera ko utizera ko nshobora kuba nagukunda. Kwakunda abasore twitinya.
I do.
Ndagukunda mwana. Yo.
I love you, George.
George rwose ndagukunda.
I love you so much that I will do as you wish.
Ndagukunda cyane ku buryo nakora buri kimwe cyose wifuza George.
If you do not love me, all you have to say is that you do not love me.
Niba wumva ko utankunda icyo ufite gukora nuko ubimbwira gusa ntago nkukunda.
And I will go.
Yewe ndagenda pe.
And we can live our separate lives.
Ndagenda njye kuri yawe ku buryo utangira kuba ubuzima butandukanye yo. Hari abantu benshi nzi bagiye bakunda gutya. Bikarangira nabi. Hagataho Fresh All Business Group mujyi wa Kigali yaje ari igisubizo. Abantu bashaka akazi, gukoresha ibyapa, abantu bashaka kwiga za computer, abantu bafite ibyangombwa bashaka gufunika, abantu bashaka ibintu by'ama internet cafe, gukata ubutaka, gupima ubutaka, gukora mitasiyo cyangwa ufite ubukwe n'ibindi birori, sonorisation barayifite, bakorana na rura umuntu ushaka autorisation. Ibintu byinshi nyine ku bantu batuye mu mujyi wa Kigali cyane cyane Kabuga, Murindi, Remera, Kimironko, Kicukiro, Muhima, Gisozi, umujyi wa Kigali wose. Hamagara Janti kuri 07 11 22 082 mu bidiring. Abantu bashaka kwishyurira abana baba mu mashuri batavuye aho bari. Ibintu byinshi cyane n'ibindi tutavuze, hamagara iyo nimero navuze haruguru mu bidiring n'ibindi gusobanurira 07 11 22 082. Ni Janti muri ivuganira ya. Mungeri nanone kurashobashire banyu kwa like follow share inshuti zawe zibone. Ngewe umusore ndamukunda yo. Hari igihe urukundo rukurya ugashiduka gutekereza papa wawe na mama wawe ibibazo uri guhura nabyo. Urebe.
I love him more than I love myself.
Uyu musore ndamukunda cyane ku buryo mukunda kuruta uko ngewe ubwanjye nabona rigeze kwikunda yo. Yo papa na mama bumva.
But he just keeps hurting me.
Gusa uyu musore akomeza kumbabaza yo. Mungeri nanone kurashobashire banyu kandi like follow share inshuti zawe zibone. urukundo rurababaza. Yo urebe
Tell me.
gaho mbwira.
Tell me how to stop loving you.
Mbwira ukuntu nahagarika urukundo ngukunda.
And I will stop.
Ndahita ndekera kugukunda. Yo
Tell me how to take away your thoughts from my head.
mbwira ukuntu nasiba ibitekerezo byawe biri mu mutwe wanjye.
And I will stop.
Maze mbisibe ndekera kugukunda. Yo urebe.
Tell me how to erase every memory we had.
Mbwira ukuntu nashobora kuba nasiba inzibutso z'ibyo twakoze, aho twagiye, ibyo twakoze byose mu mutwe wanjye. Yo
And I will stop loving you.
ibyo byose numara kubinsobanura ukambwira ukuntu ndakwibagirwa nkakwisiba mu nderekera kugukunda. Nyagasani abakobwa barakunda.
Tell me.
Mbwira mwana.
Tell me.
Yo
Stop loving you and I will stop.
ukuntu umusore aza akakwizeza ibitangaza ngo muzabana, muzakora iki, muzajya he, yarangiza yamara kubona icyo ashaka akigendera.
I will stop.
Yo
I can't stop on my own.
njyewe ubwanjye ntago nashobora kuba nakwikuramo ubwanjye, ntago nabishobora, ntago byankundira. Nyagasani mungire nanone kurashobashira banyu kandi ariko iforoshya inshuti zawe ziyibone.
Hello.
Yo
How are you?
umeze ute? Abakobwa mwigire hino.
I need you to know that I'm letting you go.
Nagira ngo umenyeshe ko ngubu namaze kukwikuramo. Urebe
I am letting you go.
ndakuretse genda mwana. Yo
Did you hear me?
wanyumvise? Abatipe bazi ko ngo abakobwa batazi gufata imyanzuro. Wowe ntuzabona umukobwa warambiye urukundo.
I said I am letting you go.
Navuze ngo ndakure kugenda utumuka umvire mu buzima.
I am letting you go.
Ndakure kugende yo.
I am letting you go.
Ndakuretse igenda mvira mu buzima yo. Umutima ntiworohewe. Yo hano wavuga iki? Wavuga iki? Yo hagati aho ubaye ukunda ibyo nkora, tambutse ishimwe ryawe kuri 0791118678 hanyuma unyandikire kuri WhatsApp tuganire. Yeah. Mungire nanone kurashobashira banyu kandi ariko iforoshya inshuti zawe ziyibone. Yeah. Yo
I never wanted to love you, you know.
ntago nashaka kugukunda nawe urabizi,
And it's not my fault that I do.
kandi ntabwo ari ikosa kuba ngukunda. Yo urebe
And I promise, I told myself I was going to forget you.
kandi ndagusezeranya ko ngiye ubwanjye namaje kwiyemeza ko ngiye kukwibagirwa. Umukobwa warambiye urukundo arakatsindwa n'Imana.
Allow me, Jessica.
Allow me Jessica. Yo
But who the hell are you that you're so difficult to forget?
ariko ubundi wa muhungu we uri igiki ku buryo bigoye kukwibagirwa? Yo
Who the hell are you
who the hell are you? Uri igiki? Uri igiki?
that you're so difficult to forget?
Wibonyemo iki ku buryo wumva ko bigoye kukwibagirwa?
Who the hell are you that you're so difficult to forget?
Yo abakobwa barakunda disi.
Who is he?
Ubundi uyu mukaritasi ninde kuko ni igiki?
Who are you?
Urinde wowe?
So difficult to forget.
Yo
I want you out of my head.
ndashaka ngo mvire mu mutwe.
Leave.
Genda tumuka. Yo umukobwa disi ararambiwe, ararushye.
Jessica, leave me.
Jessica rwose ndeka, mvaho ndababaye. Yo
Leave me.
ndeka. Yo mungere nanone kurashobashira banyu kandi ariko ifurusha inshuti zawe ziyibone. Yo hano wavuga iki? Ari we wavuga iki? Urebe ariko uzi gufata umuntu aguca inyuma, yarangiza noneho akabiguhinduriraho amakosa akaba yawe. Yo urebe. Yo
I will die for you.
ibaze ko numvaga napfa kubwawe mwana.
I will die for you.
Yo abakobwa hano hanze imitima yarashenjaguritse, uretse Imana yonyine ikibarinze. Babuze uwo batakira, babuze uwo baririra. Yo hano umutima urakurya.
Hope my life for you.
Ibaze ariko aho uhemukira umuntu bingana gutya agasanga umuca inyuma, yarangiza akavuga ngo yakwemera agatamba ubuzima bwe ku bwawe. Nyagasani
As easy as that.
as easy as that. Yo gutyo nyine ubyumva tu ubuzima bwanjye nkemera nkabuhara ku bwawe. yo urukundo ruraryana. Aya basi mungere nanone kurasha bashiri banyu kandira iki furushi ya nshuti zawe ziyibone ya